Welcome to Unlock Your Learning Potential, Essential Skills for Rapid Skill Acquisition. This short course is designed to help you master the art of learning quickly and effectively. Whether you're picking up a new language, learning a musical instrument, or adapting to new tools at work, this lesson will provide the foundation you need. We'll explore key concepts and practical strategies that will guide you toward achieving your goals. Let's dive in and unlock your learning potential together. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid grasp of the key concepts behind rapid skill acquisition. You'll understand how learning works, why it's important, and how to take the first steps to start mastering any skill. For example, if your goal is to improve public speaking, you'll leave this lesson knowing how to break it into manageable steps, like mastering body language or voice modulation. These objectives will set the stage for accelerated and effective learning. A skill is simply a learned ability to perform a task with specific results. Skills can be cognitive, like problem solving, physical, like playing the guitar, or a combination of both, like public speaking. Think about cooking. Knife skills, timing, and flavor pairing are all sub-skills that make up the broader ability to cook. Understanding the type of skills you're working on helps you approach learning them more effectively. Learning is more than just memorizing facts. It's about applying knowledge and solving problems. For instance, if you're learning photography, it's not enough to know how a camera works. You need to practice composing shots and experimenting with lighting. Every time you apply what you've learned, you're strengthening neural pathways in your brain, making the skill easier and faster to perform over time. Rapid skill acquisition is about achieving functional proficiency in a skill in less time. For example, instead of taking months to learn video editing, you might focus on mastering the basics of one tool like Adobe Premiere in just 20 hours. The goal here isn't perfection. It's to reach a level where you can confidently apply the skill. This approach is efficient and helps you see progress quickly, keeping you motivated. Experiential cycling is a powerful way to learn by doing. First, try the task, whether it's playing a song or writing code. Then observe the results. Did the song sound right? Did the code run without errors? Reflect on what worked and what didn't, then experiment by tweaking your approach. For example, if your bread didn't rise while baking, you might reflect on the proofing time and adjust it during your next attempt. This cycle builds mastery through practice and adjustment. It's tempting to dive deep into theory before starting, but too much theories can overwhelm you. Instead, focus on just enough to get started. For example, if you're learning guitar, start with a few basic chords and strumming patterns instead of memorizing music theory. Spend most of your time practicing. It's the hands-on application that drives real progress. Remember, learning by doing is the key to building confidence and competence. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to learn quickly is essential. Whether it's mastering new software for work or picking up a creative hobby, rapid skill acquisition helps you adapt and grow. For example, a project manager learning new collaboration tools can streamline workflows and increase team efficiency. This adaptability is critical for personal growth, career advancement, and staying competitive in evolving industries. Let's look at how rapid skill acquisition works in real life. For travel, instead of studying grammar endlessly, focus on learning key phrases in a new language to communicate effectively. If you're tackling coding, concentrate on HTML and CSS basics to build a simple website before diving into advanced concepts. And for remote work, mastering tools like Zoom or Slack can transform your ability to collaborate virtually. These targeted approaches save time and deliver results quickly. To wrap up, remember that rapid skill acquisition is about learning efficiently by focusing on what matters most. Techniques like deliberate practice and experiential cycling are critical to success. Whether your goal is personal growth or professional advancement, these principles will help you achieve it faster. As you move forward, apply the concepts from this lesson to your own learning journey. Next, we'll explore even more practical techniques to accelerate your progress. Stay curious and keep learning.